All football World Cup fans are here. They are excited for football from Ghana. So all are from Ghana. They are supporting Ghana team. So you are excited so much for football?
No, we are from Ghana. We are coming to support Black Star.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can say something about Qatar.
We love Black Star very well.
How many tickets you booked?
Come again?
How many tickets you booked?
We are already here. We are already in Qatar, so we are waiting for Black Star.
Okay.
So we are waiting for the star.
Yeah, I'm Prosperity from Ghana.
Okay.
Ah, you are.
You score Portugal 2 goals.
Yeah, we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting.
Okay.
We are Ghanaians.
So all are here. They are very excited for FIFA. So even I have booked couple of tickets.
Ah, you are.
So I especially support Ghana.
Yeah.
I expect them to come for semi-finals and more than that. So wish you all enjoy the FIFA.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name, brother?
Richard.
Srinivas.
Yes.
Your name?
Joshua.
Vishwa. Srinivas.
I'm Timothy from Ghana.
Yes. Srinivas.
Taylor from Ghana.
Thank you so much for allowing me to take video.
Thank you, bro.
So I'm going to Flag Plaza. It's located at Mayassa Park. It is a community gathering space. You can see flags from total 119 countries all over hoisted, all over parallelly. So this is a place where all people come. This shows the diverse diaspora Qatar has. These people from all over the world are residing here. So this is like a place where people come here for celebrating festivals and other things. You can see a flag hoisted here. Recently it got opened. This is a expansive symbol where represent diverse community. बात कर सकते हैं फ्लैग प्लाजा के बारे में। कैसे लग रहा है आपको फ्लैग प्लाजा आके?
बहुत अच्छा है।
बहुत। नेपाल का फ्लैग किधर है?
नेपाल का है। नेपाल ये है। ये
है।
नेपाल का ये।
आपको कैसा लगा?
और इंडिया का मेरे
इंडिया का उधर उस तरफ है।
नेपाल
ಏನೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಜಾದಲ್ಲಿ. Oceania. There's a lot of cafes over here. Asia.
Can I have the noodles?
Erika. Having African coffee for 5 reals. Yeah. What is the name of this? Buna. Okay.
عارف الاستقرار في منطقة العصر تجمع في تراكم بلد بيوت وصنعوا أدواتهم
So African coffee for 5 reals.
حفروا الجدار
Name is Buna. Having in a African restaurant.
النار وسهر الحديد في مروي قال